Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss some differences between the interface and the abstract class. You can find this question in my web page technicalpage.net. This is a part of Selenium interview questions and answers part 3. Okay, so if you go to this page, this is the question number 4. Okay, so in this short video we are going to discuss some differences between the interface and the abstract class. Let's find out the difference between the interface and the abstract class. In interface, the methods or variables or the code will be by default public, and only public visibility can be used. You cannot use other visibility, but if you see in the abstract class, you can use other visibilities also, like public, private, protected, and so on. Okay. The second difference is the visibility should not change when the interface is implemented by any class. Okay, but in the case of abstract class, the visibility might change when an abstract class is inherited by another class. Okay, so here the visibility should be public only, but here the visibility might remain same or might change. For example, a protected can be public. The third point is the methods in interface should be abstract only. The methods inside the abstract class can be abstract or non-abstract. Okay. The fourth difference is the implementing class should define all the undefined methods inside the interface. Okay. But in the case of abstract class, it is not like that. The inheriting class, which is child class, does not need to implement all the abstract methods of the parent class. And if it does not implement all the abstract methods from the parent class, then this child class also becomes an abstract class. Okay. Let's see the fifth difference. An interface can extend another interface, and which could be one or many, or a class can implement one or more than one interfaces. Okay. What about abstract class? Let's see. An abstract class can implement interfaces, one or many. Okay, or can extend another class. Okay, which could be abstract or non-abstract, and it can extend just one class only. It cannot extend more than one class. Okay, let's move on to the next point. The variable inside interface are by default public, static, and final. Okay, so the variable must be assigned a value. In the case of abstract class, the variable inside an abstract class can be static, non-static, public, or other visibility. Okay, and it could be final or not non-final, and doesn't need the variable value to be assigned. Let's move on to the next point. Multiple inheritance is possible in interface, but in the case of abstract class, multiple inheritance is possible in abstract class only when it implements multiple interfaces. Okay, but when you are extending the other classes like abstract class or non-abstract class, multiple inheritance will not be possible. Okay, so this is the point. If you try to extend more than one class, multiple inheritance will not be possible. Okay, let's move on to the next point. Interface uses interface keyword to declare the interface. Okay, abstract class uses abstract keyword. Okay, abstract keyword to declare the abstract class. Okay. Next point, an interface cannot have a constructor. Okay, an abstract class can have a constructor. Okay, and this point, actually this is not difference, this is the similarity. Actually, an interface cannot create object, that means it cannot instantiate. Okay, And same thing applies to abstract class also. It cannot create object or cannot instantiate. Okay. So these are the 10 points. Out of these 10 points, these are the differences. So in this short video, we discussed the differences between the interface and the abstract class. That is all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.